Okay, thank you, JC, for that nice introduction. Good morning!
Morning.
Nakapag-almusan ba to?
Hindi pa po.
Okay, good morning!
Morning.
Nakapag-almusan pala.
Wala pa po.
At nakapag-kape.
Kape lang.
Anyway, so, esteemed members of the press, guests from our local government of Quezon City, and the Department of Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. First of all, we would like to thank you for joining us today to this exciting announcement of our upcoming Travel Expo, which we are proud to host in collaboration with Department of Tourism as well as the local government of Quezon City. This event promises a pivotal platform for showcasing rich cultural heritage, diverse destinations, and innovative offering of our tourism sector. So as we navigate through the evolving landscape of travel and tourism, this expo will provide an opportunity for industry stakeholders to come together, share insights, and explore potential partnerships. So our goal is to promote potential partnership, boost tourism, economic growth, and highlight the unique experiences our region has to offer. So we look forward to welcoming participants from the travel agency sector, hospitality group, airlines, and other cultural organizations. And we are eager to engage in meaningful discussions that will shape the future of our industry. So thank you for your continued support, and we hope to see you all at the Travel Expo, which will be in August 16 to 17. So together, let's inspire a love for travel and exploration. Thank you.